coconut tree. And all the tree was taken down to take it out. But it stood firm and it said, not today, I'm not going down. Not without a fight. That tree has fastened itself into the coconut tree, and it says, if you want to take me down, you will have to take down the coconut tree as well. Look at this. Look at this. This is actually, let me go and get a close up. Oh my goodness.
He's going to be hanging there for a while. They ain't cut it down the coconut tree.
You heard that? You will be hanging there for a while because we're not taking that coconut tree down. Okay? Look at that.
Not even one.
And then it is fastened to the coconut tree. And it didn't even push. Not even one jelly off. Look at that. Look at that.